Hey, how are you, my dear friends, fans of series, movies, video games, and comics? You server Calera and Emmanuel Diaz speak to you, the members of this channel Diaz Toys. Today we bring a new review a Spawn figure, Spawn, Todd McFarlane's greatest creation. It's Spawn Wings of Redemption, series Reborn variant. The difference between this and the original is the wings. This figure has demon wings and different paint application in black paint, and the wings is more dark. And we can see a photo of this figure. Spawn Reborn, and for children under 3 years. Recommendation. Other image of this Spawn figure, Wind of Redemption, made by Mcfarlane Toys. It's ineptitude. On the back, we see the other figures of this series: the Redeemer of Series 3, Curse of the Spawn 2 of Series 13. It's another Hell Spawn. We can see Riven Spawn and Spawn Wind of Redemption of Series 22, Domina and Cloud 4 of Series 20, all variants, made in 2003 and limited edition red decorations. Yes, this figure is variant. Now we will take a look at the figure. The paint application is very good. I like the application paint application. Sorry. The black paint in the body is brilliant. And the mold in the foot is good. It's different. And the sculpture is good, very good. The old school. The symbiote details are good. The Hell Spawn. And I like the sculpture and the paint. The joint in the arm. The details in the hand is good. The sculpt, great details, and the black paint and blue shading, pockets. This figure has few movement, has few joints. It's mini sculpture. The sculpture is good. I like it. I like the wings, the foot, the head, the hand, details of the sculpture in the wings, the application paint is good. Um, the wings, the wings are beautiful. Um, the spikes, and the bones in the wings. I like. The sculpture is amazing. I love the application paint. Um, the black paint, blue paint. The wings are amazing. I love the sculpture. The shading is good. The shading in this figure, very good. I like the mini sculptures made by Mcfarlane toys of the old school. For me, is the best figures. Paint bones. And we can see the bones in entire wings. The sculpture is good. The mold is very good. The details in the wings, the paint in the wings is good. I love these details in these figures of a spawn of all the school. The mold is good and the very good. The details, the paint and scale. The details in so good. The figure. And has application entire the figure. And details in the mask looks amazing. It's good. So the eyes in green, the paint white. I looks amazing. The eyes in green. Well, it like a Hello Spawn. It's a great figure. I like this figure. All the school figures. My favorite figures. My favorite Spawn figures. I recommend it. I miss these figures. These mini sculptures. And Giuseppe Kalele speak to you and see you in the next video.